So nice to meet you everyone. How are you guys? I hope you will be doing well. So let's go. We see in this video I will talk some different. I will talk to for the development of our skills, as well as there are so many things that we need to work upon that. Okay, so for the development of our skill, what we'll have to do, we will have to take some step to be a good speaker in our life. So what we'll have to do, first, there are so many things like you can go to as your environment. There means, suppose there is any environment, good environment, and there are some people are taking participation on this environment, so you need to go there. And if you suppose, if you don't have any types of environmental sources that you can take participate and that you can discuss over the English on the basis of English grammar structure, yeah, whatever. So if you have, then go, otherwise you don't have. So make own environment. By making own environment, you can develop yourself. How? Let me see. So what will you have to do? We will have to do some step. Like first step, you will have to take newspaper, English newspaper, and you will have to read. You will have to read every day. If you are not reading, if you are not pronouncing the good in the good way, that you will never develop yourself. And you will have to remember also some vocabs that will be better for you. And the second thing I would like to say, if you have, suppose if you have mobile, like any smartphone, yeah, laptops, yeah, whatever, so what you will have to do, you will have to search any types of bonding topic. Means I think you don't know about bonding topic, so let me tell about the bonding topic. Bonding topic means whatever the happening in our country, whole about the world, means the current situation is happening, that is called the bonding topic. Suppose in this India, there are so many things is happening. If we take such example like one nation, one election, on this topic there are so many leaders are talking with each other. This bill should be implemented or not. There are so many leaders are talking in parliament, and out of the also in our country there are so many states and there are so many leaders, the opposition parties and as well as the ruling government, they are trying to implement this bill. So if you want to develop yourself, you will have to take a bonding topic and you have to speak over the bonding topic, like one nation, one election. And also recently the one bill has been passed for the development of women, this women reservation bill. It is the good topic for discussing, as you can as you can discuss with your friend and whatever. If you have friend, then go and make an environment and you can discuss over this topic, one nation, women reservation bills. So these types of bonding topic, if you want to develop, then go through it. It is very good, and try to understand, bro. I believe it. Why? Because I have done such a works on, that's why I am telling you. So I discuss my own self, as well as whenever I free, I talk to myself and I want to improve my such a good environment. So like a one nation, one election, and if you want to speak, how you will speak, let me see how I am speaking. So see and think about how I am speaking. Okay, So what you will have to do, you will have to start the surrounding of this topic. One nation, one election. What doesn't mean one nation, one election? One nation, one election means the country will, suppose the India is one of the best country in this world, and in our India, the election, if we take the example, there are so many elections conducted. No, there are so many elections are conducted in our country. I know, like Lok Sabha, Raj Sabha, there are so many election, panchayat election, there are so many election are conducted in our country. So the people and the ruling government are not people, means the ruling government is discussing over this topic, the one nation and one election should be implemented, yes or no. They are discussing in the parliament and the Raj Sabha and Lok Sabha. There are so many leaders are talking about it. Okay, so the one nation one election means एक राष्ट्र एक चुनाव. नो, एक राष्ट्र होगा जिसमें चुनाव एक होगा. सो वहाँ के लोगों को फ्रीडम है, तो कैसे अगर इसकी इम्प्लीमेंटेशन की जाएगी, एक राष्ट्र में एक चुनाव होगी, तो इससे क्या परेशानियाँ हो सकती है, क्या बेनिफिट्स है, तो यही आपको बोलना है. और पहले आपको टॉपिक के बारे में समझना है. इफ़ यू आर नॉट गेटिंग even a single things about related these topics, you will never talk about it. So you will have to search over this video, over this related topic, and then start speaking over this topic. Okay, so it will improve your communication skill. If you are discussing, you are speaking the burning topic on the burning topic, it will be very, very beneficial for you. So this is my statement. I have some parameter. I have so many topics that I can speak easily, but I have suggested to you, you will have to start. Okay, so in this video that's all, and do some environment, make some environment and do such works for the development of your skill. Okay, so in this video that's all. If you like this video, like and subscribe and share. Thank you. Bye bye.